Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of 250 plus MCQs on computer fundamentals. So let's start part 3. The task of performing operations like arithmetic and logical is called as answer processing. ALU and control unit jointly known as answer CPU. RAM is an example of answer primary memory. Magnetic disk is an example of answer secondary memory. Which one of the following is not a computer language? Answer MS Excel. RAM is also called as answer read or write memory. Dash stores data or information temporarily and pass it on as directed by the control unit. Answer register. Select the odd one. Answer operating system. Dash is an additional set of commands that the computer displays after you make a selection from the main menu. Answer dialog box. COBOL is an acronym for answer Common Business Oriented Language. All of the following are the example of real security and privacy risk except answer spam. Which of the following is one of the four major data processing function of a computer? Answer analyzing the data or information. All of the following are example of storage devices except answer printers. The CPU and main memory are located on answer motherboard. Dash is the science that attempts to produce machines that displays same type of intelligence human do. Answer artificial intelligence. Servers are the computers that provide resources to other computer connected to a answer mainframe. When creating a computer program, the blank design structures of the computer. Answer system analyst.
Power off.
A computer program that converts entire program into machine language at one time is called as answer characters. Computer processes data into information by working exclusively with answer numbers. The difference between people with access to a computer and the internet, those without access, is known as answer digital divide. Computers manipulate data in many ways and this manipulation is called as answer processing. The ability to recover and read deleted or damaged files from the criminal's computer is an example of a law enforcement specialty called as answer computer forensics. Where does most data go first within a computer memory hierarchy? Answer RAM. The blank data mining technique derives rule from real world case example. Answer neural nets. Dash are used to identify user who returns to a website. Answer cookies. Codes consisting of a line varying width or a length that are computer readable are known as answer a barcode. Why is it unethical to share copyrighted files with your friends? Answer sharing copyrighted files without permission breaks copyright laws. Reusable optical storage will typically have the acronym answer RW. The most common type of storage devices are called as answer optical devices. A device that connects to a network without use of cable is said to be. Answer: none of this. A person who used his or her expertise to gain access to other people's computer to get information illegally or damage is called as. Answer: hacker. To access properties of an object, the mouse technique to use is. Answer: right clicking. A DVD is an example of. Answer: optical disc. The process of transferring files from a computer on the internet to your computer is called as. Answer: downloading. Dash is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. It's called as formatting. Help menu is available at which bottom? Answer: start. The technology that stores only essential instructions on a microprocessor chip and thus enhances its speed is referred as. Answer: RISC. Which is not basic function of a computer? Answer: copy text. ASCII is a coding system that provides. Answers: 1024 different characters. Which part of the computer is directly involved in executing the instructions of the computer program? Answer: the processor. When a computer is switched on, the booting process performs. Answers: power on self-test. A computer system that is old and perhaps not satisfactory is referred as. Answer: legacy system. Which of the following is not a binary number? Answer: 202. Which of the following does not store data permanently? Answer: RAM. Which of the following is the smallest storage? Answer: none of this. Which of the following contains permanent data and gets updated during the processing of a transactions? Answer: master file. Which of the following helps to protect floppy disk from data getting accidentally erased? Answer: write protect notch. A modem is connected to. Answer: telephone line. Large transaction processing system in automated organization uses. Answer: batch processing. In a computer, most of processing takes place in. Answer: CPU. Which of the following is not storage medium? Answer: scanner. The computer abbreviation KB usually means. Answer: kilobyte. The typical computer criminal is. Answer: trusted employee with no criminal record. The common name for the crime of stealing password is. Answer: spoofing. Collecting personal information and effectively posing as another individual is known as. Answer: identity theft. Malicious software is also known as. Answer: malware. A program that performs useful tasks while simultaneously allowing destructive act is known as. Answer: Trojan horse. An intentionally descriptive program that spreads from program to program is also known as. Answer: virus. In 1999, the Militia virus was widely published. Answer: email virus. What type of virus uses computer host to reproduce itself? Answer: worm. The thing that eventually terminates a worm virus is lack of. Answer: memory or disk space. When a logic bomb is activated by time-related event, it is also known as. Answer: time bomb. A logic bomb that was created to interrupt on birthday is an example of? Answer: time bomb. Dash is the measurement of things such as fingerprints and retinal scan used for security access. Answer: biometrics. What is the most common tool used to restrict access to a computer system? Answer: passwords. The scrambling of a code is known as? Answer: encryption. To prevent the loss of data during power failures, uses? Answer: UPS. Dash is defined as any crime completed through the use of computer technology. Answer: computer crime. Dash refers to electronic trace or a criminal hacking. Answer: cracking. The first electronic computer was developed by? Answer: J.V. Attensoff. Snowball is an? Answer: HLL. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.